Uh-oh. That is baby number 2. Baby number 3, born this morning, is with his mama. There's baby number 1 and number 2. They've got a little creep heating area. And baby 3 is in with his mama. And she is just bouncing bundle of joy. Bouncy, bouncy. Oh, these mamas have their hands full. This is the 3rd year of boys for her. Really want a girl. That's a good place for you too. That is the black boy's mom calling him. And we are up to 3. See how many more we have today. That little tail wiggle while they eat. She's definitely the bouncy one. Good job, Mama. Get single digits all week. We're not going to get above freezing all week. Day 4 of lambing. 3 babies so far. Two boys and a girl. The girl was also the biggest. She outweighed him by 1.25 pounds, and I haven't weighed this one yet. Look at these little spots. Looks like he has brown spots. And he is out of Crazy and Linus. So different ram has started. His group has started. We have 1 left from this group, which is Rose. And Linus had 3 or 4 girls with him. She's already starting to nibble on hay a bit. Good job, little lady. Well, come lay with him, Mama. Come on, Angel. Come lay with him. He's staying under the heat lamp. He's smart. We're going to let everyone settle for a bit, and we'll be back out to check him in a while.